Norge. My name is Adrian Cully with Horizon International, and I am here today with Brian in Langhus, Norway, just outside of Oslo at Merkur. Merkur has a long company history of over 100 years and has moved to multiple locations to expand and meet growing demands. Today, we are standing outside of their brand new facility that just opened on June 15th, 2025. They offer a wide variety of graphic services that I will let them tell you about inside. And today, of course, we are here to focus on the finishing side of things, like their Cabs 4000 and Ice Stitch Liner Mark IV, as well as their wonderful partnership with Horizon. Why don't you follow me inside? We made it inside and we are now standing with Lars Gunnar Jakobsen, who is the co-owner and lean and quality manager here at Merkur. He has a very long history with the company. So Lars, thank you so much for having us here today.
Welcome, welcome.
Could you please introduce yourself and tell us just a little bit about the history of the company?
Sure, yeah. My name is Lars. And as you said, I'm one of the owners. The company was first established in 1916, and in 1927, my great-grandfather bought the company. So since then, it has been a family company. My grandfather has worked there, my father has worked there. Now me and my second cousins work here. So yeah, that's the history.
That is a really nice story. And as you mentioned, this is a new facility. So tell us about your brand new building.
Yeah, well, it's a brand new building. We merged 4 companies, so 5 companies needed to become one, and then we needed more space. So that is what the move has been about, yeah.
And could you tell us a little bit, now that you have merged the 5 companies, you offer many different products and services. So tell us a little bit about what you offer to your customers.
Yes, we offer basically everything from high volume offset to short run digital, large format printing, signage, car wrapping, you name it, we do it, yeah.
And tell us, is there anything special about this new building and your production for all of those different products?
Yeah, well, the special thing is that we are now finally on one floor. Everything is close to each other, yeah, so it makes it super efficient, yeah.
That's great, and we would really love to see the production floor. So can we go take a look?
We can. We'll have our CEO guide you around. Yeah.
Great. We are here on the production floor now with Kjetil Schoing, who is the CEO here at Merkur. Kjetil, thank you for joining us today.
Welcome.
And could you please give us a short introduction on yourself?
Yeah, I can. Do you want to know about my family and everything, or just about myself?
You know what? Whatever you want to share, we're happy to hear.
Yeah, I'm Kjetil Schoing. I'm the CEO of Merkur Graphics. Work here since 2013. I was CEO from 2017. I'm very happy to work in this fantastic company.
And how did you get involved originally in the graphic industry?
I was almost born into it.
Okay.
I started in the industry when I was 16 years of age. I'm an educated of the printer. Started my own company when I was 23 years old and took some education in economics and markets.
Great.
And then I became a part of this company then in 2013.
So you know a lot about what's going on down here on the production floor from many perspectives.
Yeah.
So we are here on the production floor to discuss 2 of the systems that are right behind us.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the Cabs 4000 first.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about how the Cabs 4000 is helping you fulfill the increasing demand and job orders for shorter runs, quicker changeovers?
Yeah, of course. For us, this is a must-have machine because we have a lot of perfect binding missions and we need this machine because it's fast and it's fast to
changeover.
change over. Yes, so it's a perfect machine for us.
Great. And if someone was thinking about investing in a cab system in their facility, do you have any pieces of advice or what would you say to them?
That's quite easy actually, because we have this machine for a few years now. It's a perfect machine, so just sign the papers.
We love to hear that. And have you seen a return on investment with the machine since you've installed it here in your facility?
Yeah, and it's positive. Yeah,
Great.
from day one actually.
I heard, speaking of signing papers, that you also had a very recent installation of a brand new Ice Stitch Liner Mark IV with
Yep.
an HOF 400.
Yep.
So could we go over and see that system, and could you tell us a little bit about that?
Of course, no problem.
Okay,
Yeah.
great, let's go.
Let's do.
Now we're here with the Ice Stitch Liner Mark IV right behind us. Can
Yeah.
you tell me a little bit about the decision to install this machine and where it fits into your production needs?
Yeah, it fits very well into our production because we have a lot of combined products. So this is a nice machine to do the smaller runs, and it's very efficiency. So we really need this machine in our production. It's a perfect machine for us.
Great. We like to hear that. And can you tell me a little bit about the production flow for some of the products that you're producing on
Yeah.
here?
We combine this machine with the offset products and digital products. There's a lot of brochures and blocks. So we merge several types of production in this machine.
Great. And do you mind if I ask you just a few more questions? Maybe we can go somewhere with a view of the whole production floor.
Yeah, we could do so.
Kjetil, thank you so much for showing us your systems. And now we're up here with this amazing view of your production floor. Very nice behind us. Many of our viewers at home in our community are from different countries around the world. So what can you tell us about the Norwegian market that is maybe unique or a challenge, and how you're overcoming that and fitting into the market?
I can try. It's a big question, but in Norway, I think we have the same thing as in Europe. Actually, it's the paper market is decreasing, but we have a lot of customers in Norway who shops outside of Norway. So our project is about taking a lot of jobs back home to Norway, like books or magazines, for example. And in this company, we're working with 5 segments. We are working with books, magazines, retail, car wrapping, and also interior and design. So in Norway, we tried to put all these together to have a success with that.
Can you tell us how the Horizon systems have fit into your production and helped you with your needs?
I can try. The equipment is very good, and we need that kind of equipment because the amount of the jobs is decreasing. So it's important to have equipment to us is fast to what do you call it when the turnaround?
Changeover.
Changeover. Yes, that's right. So the Horizon equipment is very good to do that, and we use it to all our small runs.
So our last question of the day for you is, what is on the horizon for Merkur in the future?
We have to grow with Horizon, I think. Horizon is an important partner for us, so I think we're going to have more equipment from Horizon in the future.
Wonderful, that's what we like to hear. As always, if you have any questions about the Horizon solutions that you saw in this video, you can contact your local representative or visit our website for more information. If you have any questions about Merkur and all of the things that they are doing here, please check out their website that's linked in the description below. Kjetil, thank you so much for having us here today. We really enjoyed our time in your facility. Congratulations on the brand new facility, and we hope to see you again in the future.
Thank you so much.
And of course, until next time, make sure you stay happy, stay healthy, and finish first with Horizon.